Claude Code or Cowork? Which one should you be using? Everybody says the same thing. Cowork's the easy one, Code's for developers. I believed it. I gave Cowork months of real work. I'm now in Claude Code 95% of the time. I'm Jim, I'm in my 60s, and I am a developer, which is how I know that line is wrong. They're describing a version of Claude Code that you'd never use. Cowork lets Claude work with the files on your computer. Point it at a folder and it does the job. And it's good. I pointed it at my newsletter folder and it came back with a draft in my voice because it had just read months of me. But here's what nobody tells you. Cowork is Claude Code underneath. Same brain, a nicer box. 2 buttons in the same app, side by side. So why did I leave? There were 3 ceilings. Number 1 was the memory. Cowork remembers, but only inside a project. That's from Anthropic's own help pages. Whatever I worked on over here on a Tuesday, over there on a Thursday, it never happened. Code keeps its notes across the lot. Cowork remembers everything in the room. The problem is the room. Number 2, Claude Cowork only runs while you're there. Cowork can schedule jobs. Then it tells you this. Scheduled tasks only run while your computer is awake and online. Claude Code's routines run on Anthropic's machines. Laptop shut, it still works. And number 3, you can't watch it work. In Cowork, it's all there, but you have to know to go looking. In Code, the folders are just what you're looking at all day. And once you can see the folders actually start doing talking to you. I never tell it where my research lives. It can see. I trust it more, not because it's locked in a box, because I can watch it. What Cowork still wins with though, I still open Cowork for 2 things. Connectors, mail, calendars, notes, 4 clicks, and also design. And Cowork runs sealed off in a sandbox. A real advantage if an agent loose in your files bothers you. So it's in the button next to the one that you're already using. Point it at a folder and ask what's in there. In the next video, I'm going to be going through and summarizing a very long interview that the founder and inventor of Claude Code actually gives you tips on how to use it. Subscribe to see that one next, and please add yourself to the list on my Signal newsletter. That way you keep in touch with all the goings on in AI. Once a week, no spam. Thank you for watching. I'm Jim Kennedy. We'll see you in the next video.